Eto na nga tayo, 11:03 on the clock, at kapag sumasapit ang ganitong oras, alam mo na kailangan natin magbigay daan para sa ating Byahe Sender of the night. So for now, my love, punta na tayo sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Basahin na natin ang biyahe ng ating kabisyong si Julia. Love, ito po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Julia. Sabi dito, "Hi DJ Lala, good evening po. Gusto ko lang po sanang humingi ng advice. Ano po ba ang dapat kong gawin? Nagkakagusto po kasi ako sa best friend ko. Ano ba ang dapat gawin? Aaminin ko ba o wag na?" Love, ganito yan eh. It's gonna be unfair if sasabihin ko sa yung it depends. Pero yun talaga kasi yung sagot. It depends talaga, my love, if you are willing to accept the consequences or not. But what I'm sure of is, if ever you'll decide on doing this, you have to be ready sa consequences. In every action, alam nyo naman yan, there's an opposite reaction. So, sa lahat ng mga ginagawa natin, may consequences yan. If aaminin mo sa kanya, it can go both ways. It can either be successful or not. And then, if not, andun syempre yung risk ng ilangan. Pero kung yan ay true friendship nga naman, maiintindihan niya na you are just trying to go after your happiness. Now, if it's a no, pwede namang mag-continue kayo ng friendship, pero magkaroon muna kayo ng distansya so that you can move on. And then, you guys can pick up where you left off. Pero yung second, it can go your way. Meaning to say, malay mo, siya din may tinatagong feelings para sa'yo, but your best friend do not know, has no idea on how to go around it, on how to tell it to you, on how to approach you sa nararamdaman niya, and you just gave your best friend a bridge to reach you so that you guys can meet halfway. So, lahat naman kasi ng mga ginagawa natin, hindi lang basta tinitimbang sa oo o hindi. Minsan kailangan mong timbangin din kung kaya mo bang harapin yung consequences o hindi. Sabi dito ni Rick Francisco, sunggaban, go go go. Grabe naman yung sunggaban. O diba? Kasi yan it's always a risk eh. Pag na-in-love ka talaga sa friends, andyan yung takot natin na baka mawala yung friendship, baka hindi na bumalik sa dati yung pagkakaibigan ninyong dalawa. There's always that risk. We cannot eliminate that risk naman eh. Pero andun din kasi yung idea na what if pareho kayo nang nararamdaman pero wala lang gustong magsalita. Sayang kasi yung pagkakataon for you to go after your happiness. Ang tanong na lang dyan kasi, my love, is when will you be ready? Not to risk your friendship, but to go after your happiness. Kailan ka magiging handa para harapin yung nararamdaman mo? Kailan ka magiging handa na ipaglaban yung nararamdaman mo? Kasi there's nothing wrong with it naman eh. There's nothing wrong in liking your friend. There's nothing wrong in falling in love with a person, regardless of who that person is. Best friend mo man yan, kaklase mo man yan. Syempre, hindi lang siguro yung mga pinagbabawal, like yung may asawa, yung kamag-anak mo. Syempre, hindi yun. But you know what I mean. O diba? Wala naman talagang masama if you feel something romantic for someone. But the question is, are you brave enough to accept the consequences that can come along with it if you take action sa nararamdaman mo? Lagi yang nakabase sa tapang mo at lagi yang nakabase sa paghahanda mo sa sarili mo, sa kung ano man yung pwedeng mangyari. If that person reacts differently or the opposite of what you want to, you just have to accept that. You have to respect na hindi kayo pareho ng nararamdaman, and you have to give that person a space para hindi siya ma-awkwardan sa friendship ninyong dalawa. And both at the same time, bibigyan mo ng space yung sarili mo to heal. But at least you tried. Mas masakit kasi yung one day, malaman-laman mo na may pag-asa pala kayong dalawa, na pwede palang maging kayong dalawa, pero natakot lang kasi kayong magsabi sa isa't isa. Mas masakit kasi yun eh, mas nakapanghihinayang. Okay? So again, if you are listening to me, Julia, the question is not actually kung dapat o hindi. It's kung ready ka na ba o hindi. It's up to you, my love. But there's nothing wrong in going after your happiness. lagi mo yan tatandaan. There's nothing wrong in giving yourself a chance to be with someone you actually like. Okay? Klaro? Klaro. My love, wag kayo laging takot sa buhay. Ngayon, if you have faced rejection, at least you tried. O, diba? Kung may i-risk tayo na sabihin na natin na pagsasama, nasa ano naman yan eh, nasa characterization nyo ng tao. Do not underestimate the gravity, or do not underestimate yung value ng true friendship. Kasi if that is a true friendship talaga, if that is a mature kind of friendship, yung mga ganyang klaseng feelings, it will just take time. Pero babalik kayo sa dati. And both of you will just shrug it off if ever na hindi kayo parehas ng nararamdaman. If that is true friendship. Pero kung hindi, my love, hindi, at least, di ba, wala kang pagsisisihan. Manghihinayang ka man sa mga panahon na pinagsamahan nyo as friends, pero andun nga tayo sa boiling point na wala namang masama sa ginawa mo eh. Wala namang masama na nagkagusto ka sa isang tao. That person should have taken it as a compliment, not an offense. Hindi naman kasalanan yun eh. 'Di ba?